Welcome to my channel. Hello kids, today we are going to learn ill word family. Before we start, please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Let's start. I L L ill 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 b ill bill bill h ill hill hill g ill gill gill ill mill mill p ill pill pill ill fill fill gr ill grill grill dr ill drill drill sp ill spill spill fr ill frill frill ill bill hill mill gill pill fill drill spill grill frill will kill till skill chill still. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.